This 2024 Tiffin Allegro Red 38 kA is a Class A RV. It is located in Orange Park, Florida, 32073 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 7, Slideout, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2024 Tiffin Allegro Red 38 kA is built on a Freightliner XCM modular rail rear diesel chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.